Hello and welcome to our first ever Trade Business Accountants Masterclass, all about teaching you how to generate significantly more cash in your trade business. This is going to be the introduction to a long series of masterclass trainings that we're giving away for free. And we're doing that because we want to help anyone not doing $1 to $10 million a year just get there. And so our transparent intention is to try and give you more value than you would get from any paid program or course and do it absolutely for free. And this is because we're really passionate about this stuff. We want to help as many trade business owners as possible. And at the same time, we can showcase what we know. And maybe someday down the line, you'll consider using our accounting services. Now, for those who don't know me, my name is Bailey Peachy. And in this short 6-part training, I'm going to teach you exactly how you can earn much greater profits, keep more cash than ever before, and really how to master the money in your business. Because there is one fundamental question that every trade business owner should have sitting at the very front of their mind. How can I make more cash? This is why you are here today. And I want to say this right from the outset. You do not need an accounting degree. You do not need to love numbers. And you certainly do not need to be a math genius. I'm going to teach you in a very simple, plain speak, and easy to understand way so that no matter your background, you'll be able to walk away, implement these strategies, and most importantly, get results. Because this training is not about confusing accounting theory, and it's not about dishing out, quick know your numbers buzzwords. It's all about practical and straight to the point information on how to make small 1% changes that, if acted upon, will allow you to flood your business with more cash pretty much straight away. What I'm going to teach you applies to literally any trade or construction business, no matter the size and no matter the industry. So whether you're just starting out, you've just cracked your first million and are now in the 7-figure zone, or you're sitting at 8 figures and you're looking to take your business to that next level, we have gone through this exact process with more clients than we can count over the years. And the results that they've been able to achieve financially have been nothing short of life-changing. This is something that I am very passionate about, and I'm very, very excited to share it with you today. Now, before I go any further, you're probably wondering, who are we and why are we qualified to teach on this topic? What gives us any kind of authority on making more cash in a trade business? Which, look, these are fair questions because I would be asking the exact same thing. So I'll quickly explain. Trade Business Accountants is a specialist accounting firm that works exclusively with Australian trade and construction businesses, typically turning anywhere between $1 and $10 million a year. And our primary goal is really to help our clients build greater security in their business by dramatically increasing their profits and cash. We have over 30 years of hands-on experience across the trade, the construction, the property, and the finance industries. And over the years, our team have advised trade businesses anywhere from startup all the way to $30 million in revenue, and even some of Australia's largest developers and tier 1 builders. Outside of the trade industry, our team have also run and advised, as CFOs and CEOs, large global companies valued up to $10 billion. Now, me personally, I'm an accountant. I have a bachelor's degree of commerce with a double major in accounting and finance. But alongside my professional qualifications, I've also had real-world experience in construction, growing up being part of a multi-million-dollar family-run trade business. I've been in the trenches. I've operated heavy machinery. I've built high-voltage electrical substations. I've worked on some of the largest tier 1 construction sites in Queensland, and I've been heavily involved in the business management operations of successful trade businesses all my life. And from these experiences, my training, and throughout my career, I've built specialist skills in simplifying financial management and helping trade and construction business owners to generate millions of dollars worth of profit and cash every single year. So that's a quick introduction to our team and why we've put this training together. But with an overload of information online, I want to say this masterclass, it's really designed to cut through all the noise and really all the crap out there. We want to provide you with complete clarity on the few key financial metrics that you need to focus on to help you make better decisions based off facts and data that will make you more cash in your business. And at the end of the day, know this one thing. It is results that matter, nothing else. After everything has happened in your business, do you have a full bank account or not? It's that simple. So with that being said, a promise. I'm guessing this may not be the first time that you've gone on the hunt for information that you're hoping will be useful to make more money in your business. You might have read some books, you might have joined some Facebook groups or attended some business events or had business coaching and asked your current accountant or even watched other trainings like this. And while you might get a gold nugget here or there, the information you've received so far has probably still left you with, quite a bit of uncertainty and no real confidence around your numbers. Some of these other trainings also may have just ended up being a long-winded sales pitch where they beat around the bush, they tell you a whole bunch of what I call impractical waffle, and they just leave you walking away with surface level information that you already knew, wasting your time. Which is why in this training, we're going to do the complete opposite of that. So I can promise you now, This training is not about fluffy and confusing information, and it's certainly not a giant sales pitch. This is all about providing you with real, tangible, and actionable steps to dramatically improve the cash in your business bank account right now. At the end of this masterclass, you'll know exactly what you should be asking from your accountant every month, or at least every quarter, to get the critical information from your financial statements that they should be producing for you, so that you can start making small adjustments with big cash impacts. And after this masterclass is over, if you get the feeling that your current accountant isn't or really can't provide you with this information, or vital information, I should say, needed to run your business and really do better, then I will also be including a brief explanation of our accounting services and how we serve our clients a little differently to most other accounting firms. For one, we focus on cash left over in your bank account as the most important defining factor of your business success, hence this training. So I want you to feel confident in the driver's seat of your business and in your ability to generate more cash than ever in the shortest possible time frame. And look, I know there are a lot of distractions around us, but what I'm about to share with you today can literally transform your business, and I really don't want you to miss any steps. So please make a commitment to stay focused over the course of this short training. That means close out of Facebook, stop checking your email, turn off your phone. I know it can be hard. Look, I get it, but please try your best to give me your complete attention. I promise I will make it worth your while. So in today's masterclass, we're going to cover the following. The simple 4-step profit printing system that we use to flood trade businesses with cash, increases of almost 1,200% and higher in 90 days or less, even if you've struggled with cash flow in the past. Exactly what not to do with your profit and loss statement. Now, this is the number one sin that almost guarantees that you will never earn the money that you should be. Not one director in 100 ever gets this right. The most unsuspecting formula that any business owner, even a complete novice, can use to transform their business from a cash drain to a cash cow. It's like nothing you've ever seen or heard of before, but it works much better. What you must do right now, if you've got plenty of work on, but cash flow always seems to be tight. And look, this is probably the opposite to what you've been told and could more than triple your cash position. The insider cash flow secret of the top 1% that you can virtually copy and paste, but no accountant will ever tell you what it is because they don't know what it is themselves. And the only 7 levers you need to scale your income to mid-6 figures in the next 9 months. Forget about forecasts, endless spreadsheets, and budgets. This will have you getting results in as little as 48 hours. And to make sure that you get as much value as you possibly can from this masterclass, I'm going to kick things off with a real-life TBA client case study to better help illustrate the training, break away from the boring theory, and show you exactly how everything that I'm going to teach you today applies to a business just like yours with real examples. Let's get stuck in.